Hello, this is the Super Polo. Ooh, ooh, it's a very good book. It has a favorite part in it. It has some things I don't know what they are. And look, it even has a little button on the front. Whoa. It has wheels. It has a runner as well. Yeah, the Shep of Horror. Come and get it now. Yeah.